Hello, this is the Chroma Type 301 Whetstone. It's made in Japan. I'm going to show you what's in the box. Here you go. This stone is very high quality. It has a non-slip rubber base molded in there, and it will not wiggle when you're using it. It's very, very nice. Directions are included: how to use the stone, soaking the stone, and care and how to maintain the stone. The quality is very nice. I like this stone. I'm going to show you the stone in action. Okay, here's a pan of water. This stone has now been soaking for about 15 minutes, and the color's even changed. It's soaked up quite a bit of water. I'm going to show you the stone in use next. Okay, over this sink we have prepared a small wood jig to fit in place, and then the whetstone will fit right there, so you can keep it wet. You can keep water splashing on it. Just turn the water on, give a little splash. Very nice. Okay, I'm going to show you this stone in action. Okay, this is one of the Porsche Type 301 Chroma knives here. And this one here is a small Japanese chef knife. Okay, so to sharpen, you just hold approximately a 15-degree angle and go from the heel to the tip like this, and just repeat a few times. Equal strokes on each side of the stone. Okay. If you have a hard time doing that, I recommend you get the clips. The clips are really nice. They're stainless steel and they're plastic lined. Directions on how to use them are in the back there as well. And I'm going to use the larger clip on the back of this knife, just like this. You clip it on, and it will help guide you with the correct angle. Okay. Okay, that's it. The knife is sharper. If you want to go sharper and get it still sharper than this, we're going to move on to other whetstones as well. This whetstone is approximately a 1000 grit. The clips come right off like this. This is approximately a 1000 grit whetstone. We're going to move on to 3000 and 8000 grit whetstones as well. Thanks for watching. All the items are in stock at your sponsor, chefdepot.com. chefdepot.com. 50,000 plus items in stock. Fast, free shipping. I wanted to mention this is edge grain maple. The strips of wood run left to right. It's very functional, very nice. This is end grain maple. The pieces of wood are turned in little squares. We also call this checkerboard look. And it maintains it, repels moisture and water. So that's it. These products are in stock at your sponsor, chefdepot.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.